What is up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel, where today we are going to discuss the best 6 products according to its performance, budget, value, and more. Check out the description for the latest prices and information. Philips Hue Iris. Starting with its eye-catching clear globular designs, the Philips Hue Iris makes it rather easy to see that it's not your typical living room lamps. The integrated LED light, aimed toward the wall or ceiling, can set a custom moods with a vibrant palette of 16 million colors while also being able to shine a temperature-tunables white light bright enough for reading and everyday activity. You can connect to the Iris through the Bluetooth or Zigbee wireless for precise mobile apps control or issue voice commands with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistants by way of a corresponding smart speakers or other compatible devices. However, the Iris comes at higher cost than most similar alternative, and you will need to pay for a separate Hue bridge to control the lamps via Wi-Fi and use its full set of features. Shimshon Bonsai Tree Lamp. If style is your chief goal, you'll love this little LED light inspired by bonsai trees. It's also quite versatile, and there's a small Bluetooth speakers for playing soothing sounds from your mobile device and a key standard wireless charger for charging your phone. Touch controls allow you to adjust its brightness of the LED lights, or you can press and hold to activate a sleep mode that shuts off after 30 minutes. The sharper image. Bonsai lamps is made of metal and cherry wood, and the LED lights is a 20-watt equivalent, so you won't be using it to light up a whole room but rather as an accent or night lights. And keep in mind that you also needs to take thicker case off of phones to successfully charge them wirelessly on the lamp. Lepro. This affordable smart lamp is an excellent starter models with a wealth of control option, including an app that makes it easy to adjust colors, tune your white light temperatures, and adjust the brightness. For those who need to dive deeper, you can also set timer and schedules for how the lamps behaves throughout their day. Users who need to keep it simple can easily adjust the lamps with the onboard button. It's also compatible with Alexa and Google Assistants if you prefer to give voice command or tie them into a routines. We also like that the Lepro Smart Table Lamps cover diffuses the light enough that you can put this lamps nearly anywhere on the higher brightness setting without worrying about it becoming that distracting. The lamp plug into outlets with an USB-C cable and adapter, but if you have incompatible power banks, you can also turn it into a portable unit. Echo Glow. Smart lamps can make advanced lighting effect simple and user-friendly enough for kids, and that's what Amazon emphasizes with its Echo Glows. The device serves well as a nightlight with colorful, entertaining effects, accompanied by timer to reinforce bedtime and wake-up routines, including a crowd-pleasing rainbow timer. Kids can control the lamps with their voices, but you will need different Alexa-enabled devices to take advantage of these features. Even with Echo in its name and in ball shapes similar to the latest Echo Dots, the Echo Glow does not include the built-in speakers or microphone. And, as an Amazon product, Alexa is your only virtual assistant option, but you'll find no shortage of Alexa-supported smart home gadgets to sync with the Echo Glow. The device's limited brightness make it truly more suited to glow rather than lights up a room, but, as Buchanan point out, it's affordable enough to serve as a nice bedroom lamp for adults and kids. Hatch Restore. When you need a smart lamp that's more than a smart lamp, there's the Hatch Restore. It doesn't connect to traditional smart home hubs like Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, but rather works directly with a companion smartphone app. Here, you can access this smart lamp's full list of features. Most of these are related to improving sleep health, like creating a personal sleep-wake routine to help you fall asleep faster and can stay asleep longer, and wake up more naturally than with a traditional alarm clock. The company's optional Hatch Sleep membership provides access to a deep library of Zen-like content, including soundscapes, guided meditations, sleep stories, and more. The niche design is perfect for anyone looking for a smart bedside lamp and smart sound machine in one seamless unit. We especially love the beautiful modern design and elegant interface, from the integrated touch control buttons to the companion app, making this a great addition to any bedroom setup. Bonus: Hatch offers a 60-night money-back guarantee, so you can try it in-home before deciding to keep it. Govee RGBIC. The Govee RGBIC nightlight is the ultimate multifunctional device designed to enhance your sleep experience and create a soothing ambience in any room. This innovative product combines a nightlight, sound machine, and Bluetooth speaker into one convenient package. With over 60 music, game, and scene modes, you can easily customize the atmosphere to suit your mood and preferences. Whether you want to relax with tranquil melodies, immerse yourself in immersive gaming sounds, or create a vibrant light show, the Govee RGBIC nightlight has got you covered. And is equipped with a charging base, this portable table lamp is easy to use and ensures you never run out of power. The built-in white noise machine helps you drift off into a peaceful slumber, while the sleep trainer gently wakes you up in the morning, promoting a healthy sleep-wake cycle. The Govee RGBIC nightlight also features a Bluetooth speaker, allowing you to wirelessly stream your favorite music or podcasts from your smartphone or other compatible devices. Its sleek and modern design effortlessly blends into any decor, making it an ideal addition to your bedroom, nursery, or living room. Experience the perfect combination of light, sound, and convenience with the Govee RGBIC nightlight. Transform your spaces into a haven of relaxation and enjoy a restful sleep like never before. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channels and please hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.